No, I'll be watching people who cover him though.
But does Tyler Perry and Oprah have?
No, his ass did. He got caught doing steroids.
I heard they did Monique.
You know he do steroids, right?
Yeah, but a good portion of those people do.
Bro, he was lying. He made a whole. I'm natural, natty or not, I'm natty, dude.
I know,
natty. He was in that
bitch. Geared up.
Oh, bro.
Hey, so hold that letter.
That's how we naturally run things.
He said, but does Tyler Perry and Oprah have a chokehold on a lot of actors in Hollywood?
Hell yeah.
They heard that they did.
They control.
They got them on a dog leash, boy.
They control all the dark ones.
What?
If you dark,
wear a dress, nigga.
They control.
Yeah, you got me fucked. If I was ever to be a celebrity, I'd be Cat Williams. And I'm roasting, bro. They gonna probably shoot my dumb ass. I'm gonna talk so much shit. No, I'll